Good morning, kings and queens. It's your girl Neefah Nee. Today, I got to sleep at Petro in Kinley, North Carolina, and they do have a gym. So I'm about to go in the gym, then take a shower, probably get some breakfast, and start my day to go pick up my load in Asheboro, North Carolina, to take it to Conley, Georgia. So y'all come with me on this little adventure. Hello, how are you? Where is the gym?
The gym? Okay,
Yeah.
see where those lights are at? And that red wall is at?
Yes.
Head down towards that. Before you hit the showers, after the lights, you'll see it on the left.
Okay, do I need like a key or is it open?
Free, open, ready for you.
Okay, thank you so much. I love that. If it doesn't challenge you, it doesn't change you. Oh, they have complimentary towels and a scale.
Need any extra towels, miss?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you got it.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. Have a good morning.
Okay, you too. Thank you. It's nice in here. Yeah, they redid the bathrooms, honey. This is nice. Come with extra washcloths and towels. I got some extra ones. Ooh, this is so nice. Start over. I'll be back. Okay, so I'm out the shower and I'm about to put my lashes on, do my eyebrows, and try to do something with this purple lipstick and this eyeliner here. Brush my teeth, put on my earrings, spray down my hair, put on some perfume from the Victoria Glitter Hustle. So y'all can get ready with me. Lip liner, lipstick, eyebrow, bottom lashes. Okay, kings and queens, so I'm done with the face. I know it's a little extra, but I felt like being extra today. So anyways, right now I'm about to go ahead and get something to eat. I made sure I didn't leave anything behind in here, so come with me. Those cheese grits?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy.
Thank you.
And happy holidays to you and your family.
Oh, thank you. Same to you. What's this?
That's like, it's eggs with tomato, red onions, mushrooms,
Oh, okay.
regular onion. It's just like a healthy,
Oh,
like a
okay.
vegetarian.
I just got out the gym, but I don't want to eat healthy.
You
For real, I know, right? That was.
you supposed to eat healthy
I
when you come
know.
out the gym.
I know. But I haven't had no hot food. Like, I've been surviving off salads and water.
Oh, well, yeah.
Yeah.
Today's your day.
Today's my day.
Yeah, do what you got to do.
I got to. Y'all don't judge me, but I've been surviving off salads and water. I'm ready for some hot food, but I'm gonna work out tomorrow. But I gotta eat bad today while I got the time. So I got eggs, sausage, French toast sticks, biscuit and gravy, and cheese grits. Don't judge me. But I almost drank all my water. It's 44 ounces, so that's a good thing. I'll probably eat this and then like intermittent fast. So I probably won't eat for the rest of the day since I ate so bad. I got in the gym. I didn't really want to go. It was so hard for me to get out of bed, but I did it anyway. So I deserve this meal. Y'all don't be like me. Be better than me. And I'm going to waist train for the rest of the week because I got my course set in my truck. So that's what I'm going to do. I was hungry. You know what I'm saying? All you can eat for $9.99. I ain't gonna turn it down. Good, how are you?
Okay, honey?
Yes, thank you. Alright, let me check out, y'all. Good, how are you?
1066.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. I settled.
Did you need a copy of your receipt today?
No, ma'am.
Just need your signature.
Okay, thank you. I gotta wash my hands before I go.
This bathroom, y'all, is really nice. Really nice. Look at the light fixtures.
All right, let's head to my truck, y'all. Okay, kings and queens, so I'm back in my truck and my next load picks up in Asheboro, so I'll see y'all at the shipper in Asheboro. So I'm here at the shipper, Kaiser, and I'm about to go in, see which dock they want me to park in, and get loaded. Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good, thank you.
Let me right out the window.
Okay.
You have a load number?
Yeah. So they gave me dock 6. So I'm about to back up in dock 6. First I'm gonna open my trailer doors. I gotta grab my gloves. Time for me to go in and get my paperwork. Thank you. Okay, kings and queens, so after fueling, I went ahead and parked, and I'm gonna shut down so I can start up 3 in the morning, since I do have to drive through Atlanta, and it'll just be quicker for me to drive through Atlanta around like 2 and 3 in the morning because everybody is asleep, and hopefully I get there before rush hour. I do want to do some shout outs. I want to shout out one of my queens. Her name is Truth Reigns. She says, thanks for the upload and thanks for spreading continued positivity. I just have a question. How often do you all get a hotel at this truck company? I was just wondering. Thanks ahead of time. I know you will have the answer. And thank you. I really do appreciate that you appreciate the videos that I put out, my content. Thank you. And you're welcome, queen. I get this question so much, like, where do you sleep? Where do you sleep? Where do you sleep? Okay, y'all, so there's 2 beds in my truck. I have a top bunk and a bottom bunk. If you haven't seen the inside of my truck, I have a video called Check Out My Truck. Make sure y'all go watch that. But the only time I had a hotel with company is when I was in orientation. That was before I had got an assigned truck. Once you get your truck, you sleeping in your truck. There's no need for no hotel room. I mean, you can park at the truck stop. Every truck stop either has somewhere for you to eat, shower, and fuel, or a driver's lounge where you can watch TV. Every truck stop has that. But yeah, I just wanted to answer that because I get that question a lot. Okay, so the next queen that I'm gonna shout out, her name is Latoya W. She says, I start trucking school Monday with Roadmasters in Tennessee. I watch all of your videos and you're so inspiring. I'm coming from a pharmacy world to the trucking industry. I have a great support system and I want to start 2020 off right with a new career to support my family, especially my daughter. Thank you so much for sharing this, but I wanted to shout you out so all my kings and my queens could support you and let you know that you got this, girl. We rooting for you. So just make sure if you don't know something, you ask the right questions that you need to ask so you can get the information that you need, so when you get out here by yourself or I don't know if you're teaming, but when you get out here, you know what you're doing and you're confident in what you're doing. So don't beat yourself up if you don't get it right the first 5 times you try to park at a truck stop. Get out, look, and ask for help, because you're gonna probably need it 9 times out of 10. I always tell y'all, I didn't really learn how to back, like get it in one try, like a whole year in the game. Like, it took me a year to get it. Like, okay, I got it. I got it. I'm in there. One try. I just wish you the best of luck on your truck journey. And I know you're going to make your family proud, especially your daughter, because when our mothers go after their dreams and their aspirations, what do you think their children are going to do? You get what I'm saying? Like, your daughter is going to look up to you, and she's going to chase whatever dream or aspiration or whatever career field that she's going for. That's what she's going to do, because you set the bar. You set the example. So I know she's definitely going to be proud of you, and I'm proud of you. And you go, girl. You got this. And I love you. I love you all. Thank you to all my subscribers. I want y'all to make sure you check my description box. I have links to all my social media. I have links to all of my music. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share if you care. And if you have any video suggestions, make sure you comment down below. Make sure you work hard and stay humble. Bye.